Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 48-inch tree swing. This is an awesome saucer. It is so big, super durable. It actually holds 900 pounds. So you can put 2 to 3 kids on here at a time because it's got plenty of space. I could get on here with the kids. It's got this nice mesh on the bottom that, like I said, is super durable, but you can water resistant. The sides have a nice steel frame all the way around it with a foam padding on there. And you've got 4 handles, so you could hold on to each side. You've got the little decorative flags for funsies. Nice durable rope. And then these hook up here. I've got it hooked up on my playset, but you do have these actual straps that you can hook it up higher on a tree with the little lockable carabiners. So that's really nice that they give you that extra extension on there. This is an awesome swing. Like I said, kids can play on it. Everybody can be on here. And it's awesome. I love how big it is and how much weight it holds. I don't have to worry about anybody falling off because of the size. So this swing was pretty simple to put together. Didn't take much time. You just screw the edges together and then the little Velcro strap covers it all up. You hook on the ropes and you are ready to play.